Welcome to the Real Life Science step-by-step video on how to set up your AV kit. In your kit you've received a tripod. We're going to set up that tripod now. Take it out of the packaging. We're going to open it. We're going to open one of the clips. So we're just going to clip it open and let it slide down. And then you can adjust it to the different heights that you need. So I'm clipping and adjusting as you need. Tripod now we're going to look at the plate on top of the tripod. To release this, we pull this lever, we take it out. If you have a camera, you can place the camera on top of this and screw it into your camera, and then place it back onto your tripod by releasing this and popping it back in. If you have a phone or a tablet, we're going to show you how to put the adjuster onto that. To do that, we are going to screw the plate to the bottom of the adapter, and now it is ready for our phone or tablet. What we will do then is we can fit whether it's a phone or a tablet onto this. By doing that, you pick up your tablet or your phone, you place it onto the adapter and you adjust it to the height of the setting that you need. So doing that just by screwing it, and then to release you unscrew it the other way. Now we can put the plate with the adapter back onto our tripod. So how we do that is we unlock it, we pop it in, we lock it. The tablet will move and we can just adjust it by screwing it here to make sure we lock it in, and then later. In your kit you also have a microphone that comes in this case. You take out all the parts out of your case, your microphone and your holder. So we're going to attach the holder to your microphone. By doing that, we're going to put it to this end. We're just going to click it on. Then the cover, if you're indoors you can use this cover. Outdoors we'd recommend this cover. So I'm going to pop the cover on to your microphone. And then you're going to pick which cable for smartphones, which is written on it, or for cameras and camcorders. And then we're going to place that into your microphone. So it's ready then to go onto your kit. Next is your light. We unbox the light. It comes with a cable, charging cable, your light. Check to see is your light already charged, turn around to the back and just turn it on. This is charged. However, if it wasn't, you just plug in the back and then plug it into a phone charger or into a laptop. To adjust the light, you just click on the arrows, and that's making it brighter, or dim it down. We go back to the tripod. If we need to put a light on the top of our tripod, we do that into this fitting. So we slide it in and then we lock it in by just twisting the bottom. Now you have a light adjusted. If you need a microphone there, you untwist it and you place your mic in there and do the same thing, twist to adjust. With the mic it's slightly different because you have to connect it to your device. So we're going to click it in to your device here, and now your microphone is ready. However, if you need both, we have an adjustment for that. If you need to use the light and the microphone at the same time, we have this extender. So what you do is at the bottom of your tablet phone holder, you're going to screw this in the bottom, and then depending what you need you can screw them on. As needed.